Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing guys how you can adjust like the music volume on Dress to Impress, but just the music and not the actual sound. So like you can still hear it like walking. I'll turn up the volume a little bit so you can hear. And there's like no music. So for instance, I walk past this like currency item. Whoops. You can actually like hear it without the music, and when you add stuff to your outfit, you can like hear it like being put on, and you can like hear the buttons to here. Oh, what did I just remove? Oh, I removed the bird, but if you want to do that, go to settings here, and as you can see there's a music volume button. You can enable it and move it to the right if you want to hear it. But if you don't want to, you can slide it all the way to the left. I actually prefer it this way. I know some people prefer it with the music, but if you don't like it, you can turn it off and you just want to like hear like the buttons, you can do that. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.